Anita from the Parks and Recreation Division. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make our patriotic ring toss. The materials you will be needing for this craft is a hot glue gun, colored markers, any color you would like, a pair of scissors. Make sure you do have parents with you helping you with the scissors and the hot glue. You'll also need a regular size plate and 3 smaller plates, as well as a tube. You can use it from your paper towels, or you can get 2 toilet paper roll tubes and glue them together. Okay, your first step, you're gonna want to color your regular size plate. You can go ahead and decorate it however you want with whatever colors you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and color stripes all the way around it. Next, you're going to want to take your 3 small plates and go ahead and flip them over and design the back of the plate. You're not going to design the whole plate because we are going to cut out the middles. Now you're going to want to decorate your tube. You can go ahead and decorate it however you want, again with whatever colors you want. I'm just going to do some swirls, some small designs, a little star. Now we're going to cut the middles out of our 3 small plates. So just go ahead and find something that is round and that'll take out majority of the middle of your plate. We're just going to go ahead and make the circle. Then once you have the circle drawn out, you're going to go ahead and cut out the middle. After you finish cutting out the middle of the smaller plates, this is how they should look. Now we are going to glue the tube on top of our regular size plate. So with a parent's help, you're going to take a hot glue gun, add glue to the bottom of the tube, and go ahead and glue it down to the middle of your plate. And now you have your patriotic ring toss.